So to start with, on your home screen, click on this camera icon. It will take you directly to the Google Lens. So for example, if you have a bill payment to make, you just need to click a picture of that bill and then click on due date. Now you will see an option to create a calendar event. Click on that and now the Google Lens will directly take you to your calendar, and over there you can set a reminder for the same. Next trick is for those who are unable to read small text. All you have to do is click the image of text you want to read, then select text mode on Google Lens and then click on listen. And now if you are unable to read, Google will read it for you.
Directions for use.
If you want the solution of your maths problem, let Google solve it. You guys know the drill. Click the picture of problem, switch to homework mode, and boom, problem solved.